Top 10 Emergency Survival Gadgets for Any Disaster. When disaster strikes, having the right gear can make the difference between comfort and chaos, or even life and death. From massive storms and earthquakes to power outages and wilderness emergencies, modern survival gadgets are designed to help you stay safe, connected, and prepared. Number 10. Emergency Solar Power Bank. Starting our list at number 10 is the Emergency Solar Power Bank, a gadget that has become a must-have for campers, travelers, and emergency preppers alike. During a natural disaster, electricity is often the first thing to disappear. Once your phone battery dies, you lose access to communication, navigation, weather updates, and emergency alerts. That's where a solar power bank becomes incredibly valuable. Unlike ordinary battery packs, emergency solar power banks feature high-capacity batteries that can recharge smartphones, flashlights, radios, GPS devices, and other USB-powered equipment. Most models include built-in solar panels that slowly recharge the battery using sunlight, making them extremely useful during long-term emergencies when power outlets are unavailable. Many advanced models also come equipped with LED flashlights, SOS strobe lights, waterproof housings, and even wireless charging capabilities. Their rugged construction allows them to survive rain, dust, and rough outdoor conditions. Some versions include multiple USB ports, enabling users to charge several devices at once. Imagine being stranded after a severe storm with no electricity for days. A fully charged solar power bank could keep your phone running long enough to contact loved ones, receive emergency information, or call for help. Even if sunlight isn't strong enough to fully recharge the unit quickly, the solar feature provides a valuable backup source of energy when every bit of power matters. Compact, affordable, and highly practical, the emergency solar power bank earns its place at number 10 because staying connected during a disaster can be just as important as having food or water. Number 9. Portable Water Purifier. At number 9, we have one of the most essential survival tools ever invented, the portable water purifier. Humans can survive weeks without food, but only a few days without clean drinking water. During disasters, water supplies can become contaminated by bacteria, chemicals, or debris, making purification equipment absolutely critical. Modern portable water purifiers are incredibly compact and easy to carry. Some resemble drinking straws, while others use pump systems or filtration bottles. Despite their small size, many can remove bacteria, parasites, microplastics, and harmful contaminants from lakes, rivers, and questionable water sources. Advanced purification systems use multi-stage filtration technologies and can process thousands of liters of water before needing replacement filters. Some devices even remove viruses and improve the taste of untreated water. Picture yourself stranded after a flood or earthquake. Clean water may become impossible to find, and stores could be closed for days. A portable water purifier gives you the ability to turn unsafe water into drinkable water almost instantly. This simple capability can dramatically increase your chances of survival and reduce the risk of dangerous illnesses caused by contaminated water. Lightweight, dependable, and potentially life-saving, the portable water purifier deserves its spot at number 9 on our list of the top 10 emergency survival gadgets for any disaster. Number 8. Hand Crank Emergency Radio. Coming in at number 8 is the Hand Crank Emergency Radio, one of the most reliable gadgets you can own during a disaster. When power grids fail and internet service disappears, radio broadcasts often become the only source of important information. Emergency agencies use radio frequencies to share weather warnings, evacuation orders, and rescue updates, making this device incredibly valuable. Modern hand crank radios are much more than simple radios. Most models include a built-in flashlight, an SOS alarm, USB charging ports, and even solar charging panels. The biggest advantage is that they don't depend entirely on batteries. By turning the hand crank for just a few minutes, you can generate enough power to listen to emergency broadcasts or make a short phone call. These radios are designed to work during hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, and long-term blackouts. Their rugged construction and waterproof features make them suitable for harsh environments. Some advanced models can receive NOAA weather alerts automatically, giving users early warnings before dangerous conditions arrive. Imagine being trapped during a severe storm with no electricity, no internet, and no way to receive updates. A hand crank emergency radio could provide critical information about rescue efforts and safe evacuation routes. In survival situations, information can be just as important as food and water. Compact, dependable, and capable of generating its own power, the hand crank emergency radio deserves the number 8 spot on our list. Number 7. Emergency Survival Tent. At number 7, we have the Emergency Survival Tent. Shelter is one of the most important survival priorities because exposure to extreme temperatures can quickly become life-threatening. These compact tents are specifically designed for emergency situations and can be deployed in just minutes. Most emergency tents are made from heat-reflective materials that retain body heat and protect occupants from wind, rain, and cold temperatures. Despite weighing only a few ounces, they can provide surprisingly effective protection during harsh weather conditions. Many models are designed to fit 2 people and include reinforced seams and waterproof construction. Some can even be used as emergency sleeping shelters, ground covers, or temporary signal devices because of their reflective surfaces. If an earthquake damages your home or severe weather leaves you stranded outdoors, an emergency survival tent provides immediate protection from the elements. It can prevent hypothermia and create a safe resting place until help arrives. Lightweight and easy to store in a backpack or vehicle, the emergency survival tent is a simple gadget that can make a huge difference during a disaster. Number 6. Multi-Tool Survival Kit. Taking the number 6 spot is the Multi-Tool Survival Kit. Instead of carrying an entire toolbox, a quality multi-tool combines numerous functions into one compact device. Most models include pliers, knives, screwdrivers, scissors, wire cutters, saws, can openers, and bottle openers. During emergencies, the ability to repair equipment, cut materials, open food containers, or build temporary shelters can significantly improve your chances of survival. A multi-tool is incredibly versatile and useful in countless situations. Many survival versions are made from stainless steel and feature locking mechanisms for safety. Some include fire starters, glass breakers, and seatbelt cutters, making them especially useful during vehicle emergencies. Imagine being trapped inside a damaged car after an accident. A multi-tool equipped with a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker could help you escape quickly. In camping and wilderness emergencies, it can help prepare food, repair gear, and create shelter. Because of its versatility and practical value, the Multi-Tool Survival Kit earns the number 6 position on our countdown. Number 5. Portable Camping Stove. At number 5 is the Portable Camping Stove. Food and hot drinks can greatly improve morale and physical strength during difficult situations. More importantly, boiling water can eliminate harmful bacteria and make questionable water sources safer to drink. Portable camping stoves are designed to be compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Most operate using small fuel canisters and can boil water within minutes. Some advanced models even use sticks, leaves, and other natural materials as fuel. During disasters that disrupt gas and electricity supplies, a portable stove becomes incredibly valuable. It allows you to cook stored food, prepare warm meals, and sterilize water for drinking. A hot meal can provide comfort and energy during stressful situations, especially in cold environments. Being able to safely prepare food without depending on household utilities makes this gadget an essential emergency tool. Reliable and efficient, the portable camping stove deserves its place at number 5. Number 4. Satellite Communicator. At number 4, we have the Satellite Communicator. Traditional communication systems often fail during major disasters, leaving people isolated from emergency services and loved ones. Satellite communicators solve this problem by connecting directly to satellites instead of relying on cellular networks. Many devices allow users to send text messages, share GPS coordinates, and activate emergency SOS signals from almost anywhere on Earth. Some advanced models offer weather forecasts, navigation features, and two-way communication with rescue teams. For hikers, campers, and disaster preparedness enthusiasts, this device provides an incredible level of security. Imagine becoming stranded after an earthquake or severe storm in an area without phone service. A satellite communicator could allow you to request help and share your exact location with rescuers. Its ability to maintain communication when everything else fails makes it one of the most important emergency gadgets available. Number 3. LifeStraw Community Water Filter. Coming in at number 3 is the LifeStraw Community Water Filter. Unlike personal water filters, this larger system is designed to provide clean drinking water for families or small groups during emergencies. The device can remove bacteria, parasites, and many harmful contaminants without requiring electricity or chemicals. Some models can filter thousands of gallons of water before maintenance becomes necessary. After major disasters, clean water often becomes one of the scarcest resources. A community filtration system can support multiple people for extended periods, making it invaluable during long-term emergencies. Easy to operate and highly effective, this gadget provides one of the most essential survival needs: safe drinking water. Number 2. Portable Solar Generator. Taking the runner-up position is the portable solar generator. This powerful device provides electricity during blackouts and emergencies without relying on gasoline or noisy engines. Portable solar generators can power lights, medical devices, laptops, fans, radios, and even small appliances. By pairing them with solar panels, users can continue generating electricity for days or even weeks. During disasters, electricity becomes one of the most valuable resources. It keeps communication devices running, powers emergency equipment, and provides comfort in difficult situations. Modern units are compact, quiet, and environmentally friendly. Their ability to provide renewable energy during long-term emergencies makes them one of the most impressive survival tools available today. Number 1. Personal Locator Beacon. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Personal Locator Beacon, often called a PLB. This small device could literally save your life when every other option has failed. When activated, a PLB sends a distress signal to international search and rescue satellites along with your exact GPS location. Emergency responders can then locate and assist you even if there is no cellular service or nearby population. These devices are waterproof, highly durable, and designed specifically for life-threatening situations. They are trusted by explorers, sailors, pilots, and rescue professionals around the world. Imagine being injured in a remote area after a disaster with no phone signal and no way to call for help. A personal locator beacon can alert rescue teams within minutes and dramatically increase your chances of survival. For its incredible ability to summon help when it matters most, the personal locator beacon is our number 1 emergency survival gadget for any disaster. And there you have it, our top 10 emergency survival gadgets for any disaster. From portable water filters and emergency radios to powerful solar generators and life-saving personal locator beacons, these incredible tools can make a huge difference when unexpected situations arise. Being prepared isn't about expecting the worst. It's about having the confidence and equipment to protect yourself and the people you care about.